Cruise does not carry passengers in heavy rain. Their CPUC permit doesn't let them. But have you ever wondered how they gather all those cars and bring them back to the garage? When the latest atmospheric river hit San Francisco, I knew it was my chance to find out. I watched the app as all the cars disappeared from the map and the familiar weather pause icon appeared. But then something unusual happened. A few cars showed up near a hole in the geofence, and they were actually hailable, so I drove over to see what was going on. This is where the Cruise driverless vehicles are getting recalled. So that's why they were all lining up on the street. The car we just saw go by is this car here. Wait for the human to retrieve them. Oh, let's see what happens here. Drives it. I think that's like a garage that they have back there. Look at that. No one inside. 2 cruises. All right, we'll let them go back to their home. No one inside here. So cool. They're coming back to the mothership here. It's funny, some of them still have the wipers going. That back one is now trying to pass. It keeps moving. What are you doing, man? I've been asked to stay out of the driveway, so here comes. This is a manual car. Also says Cruise on it. I assume this is Bolt EUV, I think. And this one is being crewed. So everyone's, oh man, they just keep coming. They just keep coming here. There's a legitimate pedestrian trying to go in front of the Cruise driveway here. This one just skipped the driveway altogether. So strange. Okay, here's another. Oh my God, what is going on? These guys are still trying to drive. So we're now following these 2 Cruise vehicles. Okay, so it's just canceled the lane change now, and there's a lane split here, so it's gone into the right lane, and oh man, it is coming down hard right now. All right, oh, that is a huge puddle. Fairly certain there's no one in this car. And it just drove through like a couple foot deep puddle. So, oh, it's green now. Let's see where we're going. Okay, not turning again. We're just gonna keep on driving, I guess. Okay, we're slowing. Okay, right turn. Right turn signal's on. Hopefully this light turns green soon, otherwise we're going to lose that car over the hill. Definitely see more Chevy Bolts up ahead. So this certainly seems like, I mean, it doesn't have to be like a fixed route that they take, right? It could just be the same map, same software version, given the same destination, that it produces the same route. But whatever the reason, it definitely makes our job easier here, because we can kind of go along this road and pick up like whichever vehicle happens to be driving. It's hard to see, but there's like two Chevy Bolts, I think, in the left lane. One of them has the right blinker on. All right, we finally caught up to this guy. Oh, there's two cruise vehicles here. I have no idea. We'll have to check the video to see if it's the same plate number. I have no idea if these are the same cars, but the fact of the matter is, oh, it is Parfait. So this is the same car. The fact of the matter is, it's raining very hard right now. These two are still chugging along. Also, it's impressive that there's like not significant brake tapping. That means that they are kind of handling wet rain properly, or like it's one indicator that they've developed their tech to work in the wet. Come on, robot. It's a four-way stop. I believe in you. My car has about 130 miles left in the tank right now, so I mean, in theory, we could go all night. Like, it's probably more based on our experience of riding cruises and looking at the dash. That's probably more miles than Cruise has in its battery. So anyway, just keep on going and see how long. It's 11:51 p.m. right now, so it's probably it has been a while. I'm like surprised that these two haven't been able to make it back to the garage yet. All right, here we go. One's in. The second one is also successfully made it home. Nice, good job. Another good one by the computer here.